we'll be turning this into this. Hi everybody, it's Julie, and we are going to be making some stickers today. And so I have already started a little bit. I wasn't going to do a video and they turned out so cute. I'm like, I think I should do a video. So I have these stickers from Michael's, and I think you can find them still, some of them, some of the varieties, and they're on clearance like for $1. We have these rainbow stickers. I believe these were from Dollar Tree. I'm not positive. This was from Michael's, and this sticker sheet was from Dollar Tree. So we are going to be using these. We'll start with this one. I did go ahead, I put the little blue guy here already, and I did do the rainbow and one of the little unicorns here. So next we are going to grab us a rainbow. And these don't come off so easy, but we'll just be real careful and get it off there. Okay, and he's gonna go just a little bit over our little guy. This is a build a sticker. So this is a sticker sheet. We're gonna build a sticker right on top of a sticker. So next we're gonna take this cute little reindeer that is sitting down, and we're gonna have it sit down right here in front of the rainbow. And then I have a set of these push pins that have the words on them. And this one is going to get the word create. Okay. So this is a plastic push pin, and this word is just stuck to it. There we go. Okay, so there we go. And we have this little push pin. We have the word create, and we're going to put this right over on top of there. Okay, so next we've got this cute little sticker sheet. All these fun little things. We're going to take the unicorn, and for one, we're going to just put it right up here. Right up here, really simple. And add a rainbow. Just a rainbow by its head. I don't know. It's thinking about the rainbow. And then we're going to grab another one. So there's two of them on the sheet. And we'll put this one here. And we'll grab another rainbow. So really similar. And put this here. Just like the other one, but this time we're going to add the word smile. See, this is how they've been coming. They were really easy to come off. That other one just didn't want to come off. And we have our little collage. So here we have the rainbow and the little pink unicorn, and we're just going to grab the word love. There you go. And another rainbow. This one's sticking to my, it's sticky. It's a sticky sticker. Okay. This one is going to go kind of to the right down here on the pink. And then we're going to find, oh, there we go, blue. And we have one more of these left. I do my videos in real time so that you can see that it doesn't just happen to you. So we'll come down here and we're going to put the word dream. And then we have one more rainbow in our row. So let's go ahead and grab that. So, I do have another video about, wow, why is this one so sticky? About using stickers, and I will put that in the description box below. So, along with the embellishment playlist from my Dear Julie channel. There we go. And this one we're going to add, there's these really cute little rain clouds. Look at on here. So we're going to add a little rain cloud. And if you want, and you still, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to add this little laying down one. And I'm adding him because the rainbow ripped. I had a ripped rainbow. So now I have 2 sheets of this. It's kind of always, if you can make one, to make 2 is even better. But there we go. You have your little stickers on stickers. So build a sticker on a sticker. And again, Michael's and Dollar Tree. So they have these again at a couple of the Dollar Trees when I've been there recently. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. Bye.